Homemade remedies for urinary infections. This type of problem is more frequent in adult women than in men because their urethra is shorter. The symptoms are burning when urinating, increased frequency in urination, a feeling of a full bladder, and murky color in urine. Find out some of the homemade remedies for urinary infections in the following article. Causes and symptoms of a urinary infection are divided into two kinds. The upper urinary tract affects the kidneys and urethra, and lower urinary tract affects the urethra and bladder. Both can be caused by the same factors, however the difference is in the time that goes by until they were treated. Some of the causes of urinary infections are poor hygiene, hormonal changes, constipation, pregnancy, diabetes, prostate inflammation for men, holding urine for too long, sitting down for many hours without moving, bacteria like E. coli, fungus, viruses, and parasites. The characteristic symptoms of urinary infections are pain or strong burning when urinating, shivers, pain in the lower part of the back, fever, urine with a murky or intense color, or foamy, sudden or frequent urges to urinate, sensation of a full bladder, small amounts of urine. Popular remedies for urinary infections. Make a drink by mixing 125 milliliters of water and 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda. Drink 2 glasses of water and then this mixture. Drink large amounts of cranberry juice every day to prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract and getting rid of urine quicker. Drink 2 tablespoons of unrefined virgin coconut oil a day. You can also drink a glass of water or coconut milk on an empty stomach and another before going to sleep. This will help kill E. coli since it is resistant to antibiotics. Asparagus are great purifiers of urinary tracts and help cure infections in this area. Don't worry if the color of your urine changes a little bit while you're eating this vegetable, it is normal. Peel 2 garlic cloves and crush them. Add a cup of warm water and let sit for 5 minutes. Repeat this treatment 3 times a day until the symptoms disappear. The garlic will kill the bacteria in the urinary tract. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a liter of water and drink it throughout the day. It is great for people who have cystitis. Cut an onion into 4 pieces and boil in a half liter of water for 20 minutes. Remove and let sit for 8 hours, it can be at night. Strain and drink the broth. Onion is diuretic and antibacterial. Eat a few pieces of watermelon a day, because it will help cleanse and refresh the kidneys. It is a good method to prevent urinary infections if you are prone to them. Blend 2 celery stalks with their leaves on in 3 liters of water. Add 2 slices of pineapple and a cup of chamomile tea. Mix all and drink on an empty stomach. Make an infusion with 2 tablespoons of basil per cup of water. Let stand for 10 minutes and drink twice a day for 48 hours. Make a juice with 2 cups of fresh cranberries, half a cup of stemless cherries, and a slice of watermelon. Put it all in the blender and mix well. Drink immediately, preferably on an empty stomach, and repeat every day until the infection goes away. Drink juice made with a banana and an apple twice a day for a week. Apply heat to your lower stomach with a hot compressor bottle. It is also good to take an immersion bath to relieve the symptoms and make blood circulate more in the area. It is not recommended for pregnant women because it can cause premature births. Drink a glass of green coconut water to cleanse the urinary tracts. Then, dice a garlic clove and half an onion and eat them raw. This combo is great for improving the infection. Pour a tablespoon of celery seeds in a cup of boiling water. Drink 3 times a day. Boil 4 tablespoons of thyme, 4 of horsetail, 4 of marigold, and 4 of linseed in a liter of water. Let stand for 10 minutes and remove from the heat. Cover and wait for 15 minutes. Strain and take baths once or twice a day. It has disinfecting and soothing effects. Boil 20 grams of barley in a liter of water, and when it boils, pour in 20 grams of juniper, and leave it on there for a minute. Then strain it and drink 3 cups a day. Recommendations for urinary infections. Don't hold your urine because this boosts the accumulation of urine, inflammation, dilation of the bladder, and more space for the bacteria to grow. Drink a lot of liquid in order to eliminate bacteria and so that they don't reproduce. Your urine should become transparent. Eat foods with a lot of vitamin C like citrus fruits to acidify the urine and prevent bacteria from the growing. Keep good intimate hygiene, especially in the case of women, to prevent bacteria from going back into the body. Use pads instead of tampons. Avoid alcoholic beverages because they irritate the urinary tracts and worsen the problem when there's an infection.